Are you ready to go hiking? Good morning. It is our final day in Idaho, and we are headed up Brundage Mountain. It's a beautiful day. It'll be hot, hopefully a little cooler as we get up in elevation. All right, let's get going. A little bit of a bushwhack today. Pretty much missed our turn here. Oh boy. All right, it only gets steeper from here. Just start heading up, up, up. We're doing lots of mini breaks in the shade, so Roscoe can cool off a little. Keep going up. Decided to stay on the right side of that big block and try to hug the shade as long as we can. Skirting the right of the talus field. It's pretty typical of me to add weight to my pack on the way up. Found a nice big quartz crystal. Pretty steep hike at this point. All right. I think we're in the AZ, but let's see if we can get to proper summit. Ooh, some snow up here. That might be the proper summit over there. Let's see. Yeah, getting that snow. Cool you off a bit. It's like shove a piece of snow right there. Careful. All right, let's keep moving. Just gotta mosey along this ridge here. Get over to the summit proper. Oh, gorgeous day. Look at this view. Look at that. There's really nothing like hiking on granite. Here we are at summit proper. Let's see if we can find a USGS marker. We'll be over on that rock pile. Butterflies, mosquitoes. Oh yep, here we go. Here's the marker. Way to go, Roscoe. Way to go, buddy. CQ, N7KOM, Mountaintop Portable, November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike, summits on the air, SOTA CQ, calling any station. All right, did pretty good. This is my first full CW activation. We got 4 on 40 meters and 3 on 30 with 2 summits to summits. And yeah, kind of surprised I didn't get anything on VHF, but feeling pretty good about CW. There's some really quiet stations that were tough for me to hear, so thank you guys for sending your call over and over while I pieced it together. All right, we're gonna pack up and drink some water and head down the mountain. Thanks for coming along. 7.3 N7KOM. All right, we're headed down to Climbers left of the Talus field, which I think is actually a little, like, minusculely less steep than the way we came up. It's at least less rocky, less shaded though, but we got a breeze now, so it's cooling us off. Whew, just picking our way down, trying not to step on any wildflowers. Gorgeous. Ooh, there's a pink one. 2, 3. Oh, this is where the harness comes in handy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, I think if you're trying to decide to go climbers right or climbers left, right side's a little more rocky, a little more stair-steppy, left side's a little more loose dirt. So kind of pick your poison. Do you want a Stairmaster or you want to kind of just be sliding around a little bit? Hardest part's over. Don't jump into one of these puddles. I know SOTA complete is where you activate a summit you've chased, but I think no SOTA is complete without a dip in the lake. Huh, Roscoe?